Hello dear friends! In this video I'm going to show you some ways that may help support height growth. These methods can be helpful from the start of puberty until around age 18 for girls and 21 for boys, which is the period before the growth plates and bones close. These methods should only be used for 3 months at a time, not longer. If she or he has any chronic or serious health condition or takes medication, they should check with a doctor before using this mix. In general, this method is not recommended for pregnancy, diabetes, obesity, fatty liver, IBS, digestive problems, kidney stones, thyroid issues, asthma, excessive body heat or lots of acne, during taking anticoagulants medications, and children under 10 before puberty. You will need chickpea flour, white sesame seeds, fenugreek seeds and rock sugar, for each batch mix 7 dessert spoons of fenugreek seeds, 5 dessert spoons of sesame seeds, 7 dessert spoons of chickpea flour, and 1 piece of rock sugar. You should grind the fenugreek seeds, sesame seeds, and rock sugar as well until fine and smooth. Fenugreek seeds indirectly support growth-related hormones and metabolism, improve digestion, and help the body absorb nutrients, which can reduce weakness and underweight. While I'm preparing the ingredients, I'll tell you a few important tips. Good nutrition with enough protein without overeating, enough sleep, regular exercise, especially stretching and jumping exercises, play an important role in the height growth process. Avoid heavy weightlifting during puberty, as it may affect bone growth. Limit fast food and sugary drinks, as they can reduce nutrient absorption and affect growth indirectly. Sesame seeds provide essential nutrients for bones and joints, strengthen bones and provide energy for natural growth. Rock sugar supports digestion and helps the body absorb nutrients better. Mix everything together in a glass container and store in the fridge. Make a fresh batch as needed during the 3 months. In month 1, take 1 dessert spoon with a cup of warm water after breakfast daily. In months 2 and 3, take it every other day the same way. Do not use this mix for more than 3 months. Now I want to introduce a supplement that may help with height growth named L-arginine. L-arginine is an amino acid that may stimulate the pituitary gland and increase growth hormone slightly, as well as support bone and muscle health. It may help growth, but it cannot replace good nutrition, sleep, or exercise. You can use it for up to 3 months. Since growth hormone is mostly released at night during deep sleep, it's best to take L-arginine 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. Please write your health concerns in the comments. Future videos will be made about them. To live a healthier life, try adding these activities to your daily routine.